Five Kids, I'm Charlotte, and I'm back with some Softn Slow Squishies. And these are Series 10 Fan Faves, and they're ultra soft. So I can't wait to squish these, and they look really soft, so let's dig in. First, I will start with the dinosaur. And first we have the dinosaur. Super soft. Whoa, it's really slow rising. It's purple and pink. And look at the cute little tail. I think that the other squishies would love the dinosaur. 85 Kids, this is so squishy. Super squishy. 85 Kids, you need to get these squishies. They're so squishy. I could play with this all day. And I bet that my other squishy friends will love it too. It kind of smells like grapes. I love the smell. And now let's get ready to open the other squishy friends. Let's open the other squishies. Ready to open. I'll open the wolf. La 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 la. A wolf squishy. That's right, 85 Kids, a wolf squishy. Whoa, super slow rising. But it doesn't smell like that good. It smells like non-scented num-noms. But it is super soft. I love squishing the ears, and it's super squishy, and it's blinking with one eye. I think that the squishies should have names, and this dinosaur would be Gabriella, and this wolf would be, well, it's in a red cape, so I think it would be like, well, 85 Kids, comment down below what you think. These squishies are super soft and squishy. You just can't stop squishing them. Oh no, we need one more squishy friend. That's right. 85 Kids, we need to open the donut for last. I'm here. Me, I'm a donut and I'm here. And I'm super squishy. 85 Kids, it's so soft and really squishy. I think it's the softest squishy, and it smells like cupcakes. That was satisfying. Five Kids, comment down below which is your favorite. Gabriella the dinosaur, the wolf, or me, the donut? This donut looks like a cat donut. So there's a dinosaur, a wolf, and a donut cat. And I'd say the squishiest is the dinosaur. Yay, I'm the squishiest! You won #1 for Squishiest. And the best smell would be the donut. Oh yeah! You definitely won first place, donut, for the smelling. And we have the most, this one is the most squishy, the most scented one, and the most soft one. I'd say my favorite is, I really like the dinosaur and the donut. But the wolf it just doesn't smell as good as the other one. My ring, and then I go here. Squishies love me! Squish, squish, squish. Now, these are all squishy, and I want you guys to subscribe for seeing these cool squishies. And like this video if you like squishies, and comment down below which is your favorite, dinosaur, wolf, or donut. Now I'll see you H5 kids on the next video. Bye!